Okay guys, here's going to be a cold start of my Echo CS-400, whatever the hell you call it. CS-400, right. Okay, I gotta open up the garage so I don't die in here. There's the two dirt bikes. Pull this son of a bitch out. Let's see if this thing starts. I don't even know if it has gas, so I'm just gonna play with it. I gotta find a good spot to stick the camera. Okay. That's on. It's got gas, so it's gonna start. Climb a couple times. Just pull the choke in. No idea. Ooh, doesn't sound good. Try it again. So there's a cold start and a rev of the Echo CS-400. And everybody have a happy Merry Christmas. And see you after Christmas when I have an update on the YZ80 and all that other good stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.